Hello everyone, welcome to the session on overview of quantitative techniques. Let us have a quick look at the session plan. The plan for the session includes topics spanning definition, evolution, classification, uses and limitations of quantitative methods, why study quantitative methods and the conclusion. Let us explore the definition of quantitative methods. Quantitative methods may be defined as statistical and programming techniques which help decision makers solve business problems. In other words, quantitative methods are the techniques that provide decision makers systematic and powerful means of analysis on the basis of quantitative data for achieving predetermined objectives. Let us learn about the evolution of quantitative techniques. The science of mathematics is probably as old as the human society. With the evolution of industrial engineering, scientific methodologies that were prominent only in natural sciences could be applied to management functions, planning, organizing, and controlling of operations. Frederick Taylor applied scientific method in operations management problem in the late 19th century. Henry Gantt devised the chart for scheduling production activities, popularly known as Gantt chart. Let us now understand the classification of quantitative techniques. Quantitative techniques may be classified into two categories, namely statistical techniques, which include collection, classification, tabulation of statistical data, calculation of statistical measures like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, time series, regression and correlation, hypothesis testing using z-distribution, t-distribution, chi-square, ANOVA to name a few, and programming or operation research techniques which include linear programming models, simulation, network analysis, queuing theory. These techniques help solve business problems. They provide systematic and powerful means of analysis for achieving predetermined objectives. Let us explore the uses and applications of quantitative techniques in management. Linear programming technique is used in feasibly allocating available or scarce resources, efficient and effective resource deployment leading to profit maximization or cost minimization. Queuing theory is used in reduction in idle time and offering satisfactory services to consumers. Inferential statistics is used in testing significance of a population parameter on the basis of sample, enabling better decisions. Decision theory is applied for taking appropriate decisions under conditions of uncertainty and risk. Goal programming is used in achieving multiple objectives. Calculus is applied for finding maxima, profit maximization, or a minima, cost minimization for an enterprise. Probability and index numbers are used in solving organizational problems. Regression and time series are used for predicting future, that is forecasting. You might wonder as to why should we study quantitative techniques. Reasons being, it supports fact-based decision making. The executives and managers need no longer rely on subjective factors alone for their important decisions. Decisions are made after analysis of data that reveal relationships between them, indicate trends, and show rates of change in the relevant variables. It helps data analysis, interpretation, and presentation. Quantitative methods help managers collect, analyze, interpret, and present available data meaningfully. The analysis is done by taking environmental factors on a continuous basis, determine and fine-tune objectives, identify best option from a set of available alternatives, implement, coordinate, evaluate, and control factors to achieve set objectives. It enables develop insight into application of tools. The methods use associated application of software like SPSS, SAS, R programming, Tableau, or analysis which are being successfully used in the corporate world, aiding the process of decision making. Let's have a look at the limitations of quantitative techniques. Quantitative techniques use mathematical models which are based on certain assumptions. If assumptions are not relevant, then their applications may result in disastrous solutions. Quantitative techniques are usually expensive proposition. Specialized training and skill sets are required for data analysis. Quantitative techniques cannot be used for study of qualitative phenomena. Inadequacy of data, wrong sample selection, improper choice of method hinders application of quantitative methods. Finally, to conclude, we may state that although the limitations as mentioned are prevalent in the application of quantitative techniques, they can be overcome suitably so as to enable the organization and management to arrive at meaningful and proper solutions. Business analytics is fast coming up as an independent field in the world of informatics and statistics. A precursor to analytics is the knowledge and application of quantitative methods. Following URLs point to the reference docs which you may need to go through to assimilate the content of this session. Thank you.